Good morning. Welcome to day 7 of our Walt Disney World's May 2023 trip. It is our last full park day today and I cannot believe it. Can't believe our trip is coming to an end and it has been such a magical trip. I love getting to spend time at Walt Disney World with my toddler. It has just been so magical. But we have a really exciting day planned today. We are heading to Magic Kingdom. We are rope dropping it and we are doing Genie Plus today. I did purchase it, so we will see where the day takes us. Hopefully we'll be able to do a lot of rides and a lot of attractions today, and I'm really looking forward to having a magical last park day. We do have lunch reservations at Skipper Canteen, which is one of my favorite restaurants on Disney property. It is so good. If you've never been, definitely give it a try on your next vacation. And we have that at 11:45. And then I think we're going to come back to the resort early afternoon because Franklin wants to go to the pool and just kind of have a relaxing resort afternoon. And then I was going to originally park hop to Animal Kingdom. You saw it in my previous Animal Kingdom vlog because I thought that he would enjoy going back to the park. But I think that he just might want to stay at the resort. And we're off to Magic Kingdom. It is about 7:30 and rope drop starts at 8:30, so I think we're making really good timing. Okay, we just got to Magic Kingdom. It's a little after 7:30. Say good morning. We are both excited.
At 9 a.m. In the meantime, please enjoy Main Street, USA and all of its offerings. Thank you and enjoy your day at the most magical place on earth.
Yay! Are you excited? Just finished Peter Pan's flight. Franklin loved it. It was so cute, and now we are going over to the many adventures of Winnie the Pooh. Well, Franklin loved Winnie the Pooh. He's asking to go on it again, so I'll probably try to get a Genie Plus for later in the day. But now we're headed to Gaston's Tavern because he wants to get the cinnamon roll for breakfast. Sounds really good. We got our cinnamon roll. This cinnamon roll is massive. How is the cinnamon roll, Franklin? It's really good. And then always be sure to ask for extra icing. They will give it to you because extra icing is always better with cinnamon roll. So we're going to enjoy this. And then we're going to go to Buzz Lightyear because we have a Genie Plus for that. So that is our morning so far. We were able to ride 2 attractions during our early morning our magic hours. We rode Peter Pan's Flight and Winnie the Pooh's Many Adventures. We just finished Buzz Lightyear Space Rangers. So much fun. Franklin loved it. And now we are going to go over and try to do the Barnstormer. I just booked a Genie Plus for Pirates Caribbean for 10:15. So I think we're going to be able to do a lot today. I'm definitely glad that I got Genie Plus because it's a little crowded and the wait times are a little long. And Franklin just does not have the patience to wait long in any of the rides. All right, we're off to go on the Barnstormer. We are now getting ready to go on the Barnstormer. Franklin has been on this ride before. He came when we were here in December and loved it. And he is still too short to go on the mine plane and all of the bigger little roller coasters. So definitely next trip, hopefully he is tall enough for that. But we are excited to go on the Barnstormer. Barnstormer was so fun. It always makes me nervous though with Franklin and these rides, but he loved it. And now I think he wants to go to the little splash area with the train just right across from the Barnstormer. So I think we are going to do that next. Loved Under the Sea with Ariel. It was such a cute ride. He loves the Little Mermaid right now. And our Lightning Lane for Pirates, we rebooked to any Lightning Lane to use today because the ride is down. So I booked a Genie Plus for It's a Small World because it's about 20-minute wait right now. So we are headed there right now. Just went on It's a Small World and I'm so glad that I purchased Genie Plus today. It's definitely worth it. The line was still a little bit long even with the Lightning Lane. Then after we checked in for It's a Small World, I was able to book a Lightning Lane for the Magic Carpets of Aladdin ride. So we're going to do that before we head to lunch, and I think that the timing should work out perfect. So we are going to do that next. But I definitely feel that we have been able to accomplish a lot, rope dropping and purchasing Genie Plus today. I feel that we wouldn't have been able to do a lot if I had not purchased the Genie Plus because the wait times are like 30-45 minutes for a lot of the attractions today. So it is kind of a busy morning here at Magic Kingdom. So it definitely was worth the $20 for Genie Plus. We're gonna go have lunch at Skipper Canteen. Are you excited for lunch?
To drink. drink, I ordered the Congaloosh Spice Excursion Ale. This beer is exclusively brewed for Walt Disney World, and I just love that. This is a really great beer to try, especially if you love a good amber ale. My toddler got the crispy chicken with roasted potatoes and broccoli. He really enjoyed the roasted potatoes much more than the actual chicken, and so this was a great lunch for him. And they have a great selection of kids menu items here at Skipper Canteen. For my lunch, I ordered Skipper Dan's Dan Dan noodles. These are really good, but they definitely were on the spicier side. But this is a really great filling lunch, perfect for after a busy morning at Magic Kingdom. But if you don't really like spicy things, I don't think you probably would like this. But overall, it was a really great lunch. After lunch, we headed to the railroad at the main entrance because we wanted to ride the train, and my toddler is obsessed with the train.
Oh, it's in the train!
Yeah, we're waiting for the train. Hi, so we're on the train.
We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y las manos brazos
We're on the train. We're heading from Frontierland to Fantasyland, and then back to Main Street, which is where we got on the
trains have a mind of their own.
Hey, Glenn. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh my goodness. Oh. Oh, hi, Mickey. Oh.
What's his name?
Franklin.
Franklin. I think Franklin's staying here, right? It's a done deal.
Oh, Franklin. Oh, Mickey gave you a big kiss.
Oh, yeah, here we go. Yep. There we go. I mean, he's tired. He must be tired doing all that popping.
Oh, are you taking a nap with Mickey? Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, that is too sweet. We are back at the Grand Floridian. We took the boat over. We had the most magical day. It's about 2:30. And I feel like we really accomplished a lot. Rope dropping, the park this morning, and then also having Genie Plus. After lunch, we rode the train, and Franklin is obsessed with trains right now, so that worked out perfect. And then I had a lightning lane to meet Mickey, and I think it was one of my favorite character interactions that Franklin has had. He loves giving the characters hugs, and he would stay there hugging the characters for like 5 minutes or even longer if they let him. And they do, like, they take their time with him, and it's really sweet, and the characters are just so great. And so we did that, and then we headed back. We are heading to the pool and the splash pad for our last resort afternoon. I am back at our room. Franklin and my dad are at the pool. I joined them at the splash pad for a little bit, and now they have moved over to the pool. But I came back because I need to get packed, get ready to leave, because our Mirror's transportation is picking us up at 2:30 in the morning. We have a 6 o'clock flight out of MCO, and I didn't realize our transportation would be that early, so hopefully it goes smoothly. I'm not sure. That's really early for Franklin, well, for anybody, but we'll see how that goes.
And then I might go back to Magic Kingdom just myself. I'm not sure yet. We will see. Then we'll probably go grab dinner somewhere. Probably just mobile order something. I'm not too sure. But I think we're just going to enjoy the rest of the day here at the Grand Floridian.
For dinner, we just decided to mobile order from Gasparilla, the quick service here at Grand Floridian, and we got the broccoli flatbread, which was really good, and then the macaroni and cheese, which came with a side of fries, so that was great. My parents and Franklin shared that, and then they also got a salad to share. My mom and dad did, and then I got the mojo roasted chicken bowl. This was really good. I definitely love the flavors of this, so this was a really delicious dinner. After dinner, we went to bed for a couple hours before we had to be picked up from the Mirror Shuttle at 2:30, so it was quite an early morning, but this is gonna wrap up this Disney day and our Walt Disney World May vacation.
It's almost 2:30 in the morning. We have our bags down in the front. We're running for our Mirror Shuttle to come pick us up and head to the airport. We have a really early flight. That is gonna wrap up this Disney video. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!